Do you know how to recycle? If your routine is to toss any piece of plastic you see or any old pizza box in the blue bins around campus, then the answer to that question is probably no. WVU's single stream recycling system is designed to make recycling easier for consumers. But if you started WVU coming from a small town like I did, you might still not be sure where to start. As students in a state known as Almost Heaven, the Mountain State, and Wild and Wonderful, part of our mission at college should be to protect this wonderful place we get to call home. At my time here so far, I have learned three simple steps that can help you maximize the campus recycling program. The first step doesn't involve recycling at all, it involves reducing. Not all materials are recycled equally, especially plastics. And luckily, the hardest types to recycle are often the easiest to reduce. Thin, film like plastics can clog up recycling and sorting machines. So if you own reusable shopping bags or tote bags, try to remember to bring them with you to the store. Most major retailers, such as Walmart and Kroger, are more than happy to let you use your own reusable bags at their checkouts. If you don't have access to tote bags, just make sure you don't put plastic shopping bags or any kind of snack packaging like a chip bag in with your single stream recycling. Monongalia County Recycling doesn't accept plastic bags, and they will just cause their sorting machines to get clogged. Some grocery stores, however, do have their own plastic bag recycling programs that you can use. Polystyrene foam, known as styrofoam, is another common plastic that Mon County Recycling does not accept. Many stores have now shifted away from using polystyrene packaging in response to its low recycling rate. This is why takeout containers are often cardboard or wax coated paper now. If you regularly visit a coffee shop or restaurant that still uses polystyrene, consider bringing your own reusable travel mug or food storage containers if they permit that. After trying to reduce your waste, items that you do still need to use can either be reused, recycled, composted if you have a home compost bin, or sent to the landfill. Since we are focusing on recycling today, I'm going to do a quick run through of what other items can and cannot be recycled in Morgantown. The single stream recycling containers that you'll see around campus say that they accept cardboard, glass, plastic containers, and drink cartons. These categories include glass bottles and jars that food was bought in, both corrugated and non corrugated cardboard, cardboard drink containers such as orange juice cartons, steel and aluminum food cans, printer paper, and magazines and newspapers. These categories do not include any ceramics, glass cups or glass food storage containers, light bulbs, broken windows and mirrors, loose plastic caps, aluminum foil, paint cans or aerosol cans, napkins, paper towels, gift wrapping, and wax coated paper cups and plastic utensils. Putting any of these items in with your recycling in the hopes that they will be recycled or because they are recycled in other places will only disrupt the recycling process here. The final step to recycling properly on campus is to make sure that you are preparing your recyclables correctly. Food waste, liquid, and any other perishable or potentially hazardous substance can contaminate entire batches of recycling and cause them to just be sent straight back to the landfill. Any container that has been in contact with food needs to be empty, clean, and dry. Before putting items in recycling, first remove any label it might have, then thoroughly rinse or wash to remove all food residue, and finally make sure the items will be able to dry before being taken out. Never recycle a container that still has food in it. Pizza boxes are often a gray area, but Morgantown does not recycle pizza boxes that have grease stains. So when in doubt, just throw it into your landfill bag. When I came into my freshman year, the single stream recycling at WVU was a little intimidating to me, as my town doesn't have a recycling program. But after a year at school here, I have finally become confident sorting out my recyclables to reduce the amount of my waste that goes into our local landfills. Hopefully this video helps you as well, and if you have questions about recycling that I didn't answer, please visit moncountyrecycling.com.